We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video I'll show you how to change the cartridge on your OKI MB562 printer and how to print a test page afterwards. The first step is to turn on your printer and make sure it is connected to a power source. Then lift the top cover and open the cartridge access door on the front of the printer like this. The next step is to remove the old cartridge. To do this, push on the blue tab to release it. Take out and set your empty cartridge to the side and move on to your next step. The third step is to install the new cartridge. To do this, take the new cartridge out of its package and remove it from the bag and remove the seal and any additional packaging materials. Then install the cartridge by putting it in at an angle and pushing it down. Then you're going to want to take the blue tab and push that forward to lock it into place. After you change your cartridge, you can take your old cartridge, put it back in the bag, repackage it in the box, flip your ready to use sign over to empty, and you're ready to send your cartridge back to Onyx to be recycled. The final step is to close the cartridge access door and wait for the printer to calibrate the cartridges. This may take a few minutes. You can check the cartridge levels on the printer display or on your computer screen. Now you can print a test page to see how your new cartridge looks and get some useful information about your printer. To print this page, follow these simple steps. First thing you're going to do is hit Device Settings on the home page. Go to Reports, go to Configuration, and hit Yes. And to find your supply status, it's going to be on your last page that it prints out. It's going to be right here. And that's it. You've successfully changed the toner cartridge on your printer and printed a supply status page on your OKI MB562 printer. And that's it. You've successfully changed the toner cartridge and printed a supply status page on your OKI MB562 printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.